This is some serious scientific work.
Let's get to work.
We're about to make an important breakthrough. It'll change the scientific world forever.
Add green stuff. I mean, liquid.
Careful. This is where it could all go wrong. Whoa! It's amazing!
This is unbelievable!
Just look at them.
I make science look good. I feel like I'm making a magic potion. It's like being at Hogwarts. But with a lot more nerds.
Whoa, this is heavy! I know. Try not to spill it. I'll need to transfer it to this bowl. Hey, what are you doing?
I'm pouring it in.
No, I am.
Fine, we'll add both.
What's the worst that can happen?
Earthquake! Ah!
Whoa! Where are we?
Who cares? It's better than that boring lab. Ready to do this?
Go for it. Ooh, gummy bears. My favorite.
They look so yummy. I can't wait to try them. Just look at all the colors. And they smell great. I can't wait any longer. I need to eat one.
How is it? Tell me.
They're tasty. But I have an idea. I've made gummy bear ice cubes.
Whoa!
Pretty cool, huh? Now I need a refreshing drink. This is perfect. I'll pour it over my ice cubes.
Wow, that looks so good.
I hope it tastes as good as it looks. There's only one way to find out. Oh, it's amazing. What should I do to mine?
Oh, I know. Let's turn up the heat. Admit it, this is pretty impressive. Uh-oh, I've overdone it! What do I do?
Put it out!
Phew, that was close. But my gummy bears are gummy soup. Look at it.
That was so stressful.
Wait.
That's better. Miles!
Look at this giant bear mold.
What are you gonna do with that?
Watch and find out. I'll pour the gummy soup into the mold.
I'm so intrigued. And slightly jealous.
Okay, now for the next part. I need some cold air, Julie.
I don't think so.
Seriously? Don't be mean. I know what to do. Tickle, tickle. Maybe I didn't think that through. It's so cold. But it worked. My giant gummy bear has set. Steady. I don't want to break it. Wow, it's beautiful. What do you think?
It's okay, I suppose.
Huh? He needs a bath. And I need a drink. That was thirsty work. Aw, he looks so cozy.
You think you're so clever.
Ah, now that's good.
You know you're drinking bear bathwater, right? Go for it.
Ooh, ramen! I love ramen. Julie?
This is the best! Let's eat! Oops! Where are my manners?
This is why we never eat out.
I always carry an emergency set of chopsticks. I keep them in my bag. Hold on. They're in here somewhere. Ah, got them. Nope. That's for nap time.
Watch where you're throwing that.
What's this? I don't remember putting that in there. That can go.
What the?
Hot sauce? No thanks. You can have this. You're welcome. A spoon could work. On second thought, nah. Where are they?
I'm not waiting any longer. I'm gonna spice things up. It'll be a nice surprise for Julie. Maybe a few more drops. And now, I'll act innocent. Aw, hurry up, Julie.
Shh. I'm trying to concentrate. I know they're in here somewhere.
Maybe I can help. I want her to eat the ramen. Hey, Julie. Looking for these?
Ah! Perfect!
You can have them.
Thanks, Miles. You're so kind.
No problem. I'm happy to help.
My mouth is watering. Wow, they are delicious.
Wait for it.
Huh? What's happening? That's not good!
Ha! Gotcha! Okay, now it's my turn. I'm looking forward to this.
That wasn't funny! Two can play that game.
Yummy noodles! Huh? What's going on? What happened to my noodles? It's a noodle popsicle! Wait, there's only one explanation. Julie!
It's payback! Can I go first?
Go ahead.
Ooh, look at that. It's milk. I wasn't expecting that. But I'm not complaining. Now where's my glass? Ah, there it is.
Julie, look!
Oh no! I better open it. It's frozen solid.
That's kind of funny.
I can't pour it out. There must be something I can do. I'm all out of ideas. Unless…
What? Why are you looking at me like that?
Relax, Flame Boy. I'm just gonna cut the carton in half. Yes! That's more like it. Pretty clever, huh? Now I can get my milk.
That does look good.
I can scoop it out with a spoon. It's like eating ice cream. It's tasty. What do you have?
Let's find out. Nice. I got chocolate. I'm trying to be healthy, but I'll make an exception this time. Chocolate is my weak spot.
Miles? Maybe you should pay attention.
Oh no! Oh, I never get to have nice things. Wait! I have an idea.
Where did you get that?
I can't reveal my secrets, but it's pretty awesome, huh? Now for the fun part. I'll add the melted chocolate to the fountain. Whoa! Look at it go! Whoa, it's amazing! Look at all that glorious chocolate. It's so gooey and tasty. Let's try it out. I'm gonna dip this strawberry into it. I'll make sure it's coated completely. I can't wait to eat it. Oh my gosh, it's so good.
I want to try it too.
That was great! Oh, I know! I wonder what chocolate-coated chips taste like. There's only one way to find out. Maybe I'll create a food craze. Oh yeah, that's what I'm talking about.
It's just showing off now.
Oh, I know what to try. It's a little unconventional, but I'm sure it'll work.
Miles, no!
Aw, you always ruin my fun.
You crazy? We need to have a serious talk later. This is so exciting!
Wait. Can I go first? Please? Ooh, look. Eggs. It's excellent. Get it? What am I supposed to do with them? Ah, got it. I'm about to whip up something tasty. I'll start with this one. I'll crack the egg into the bowl. I don't want any shell.
Ooh, so professional.
Now I'll whisk it. I'm a genius in the kitchen. Gotta keep going. Phew, this is tiring. That should do it. Now what? You'll find out soon enough. I'll pour it onto the plate. But no one wants to eat raw egg. So let's get cooking. This really speeds things up. I know you're impressed. I think it's ready. It looks good.
Yeah, it does.
Hold on. Something isn't right. I'll cut it into strips. I want them to be nice and thin. This pizza slicer makes it easier. That's enough. Now I need some seasoning. The pepper will give it a little kick. It's ready to eat. I've really worked up an appetite. It's like eating pasta. It smells amazing. Are you okay?
Food. I want some.
It's all mine.
Aw, it's nice to share. Let's see what I've got. Hey, I got eggs as well. What can I do?
Can't talk. Eating.
I have a great idea. And it's gonna be colorful. I'll put these syringes to one side. I need to make small holes in the eggs.
What are you doing?
I'll start with the blue food coloring. I'll inject the coloring into the egg. The syringe stops any mess. And it's so easy. Okay, that's the first egg done. Now for the rest. That's them all. Next, I'll freeze them. And then peel them. Wow! Have you ever seen eggs like this? They look great! No! Hands off!
Hey, that hurt. I have an idea.
Okay, I'm gonna eat them!
Huh? You'll need this light box. And this egg tray. Try it out. Put them onto the tray.
Wow! What a great idea! It's like a light show.
I know. Let's dim the lights.
Whoa! I love it! Let's party!
Woohoo! This is more like it. Great. Julie's distracted.
Oh yeah! Ah!
don't know what you're talking about.
Give me those eggs! Now! What is that? Pizza! This is awesome! Yum! But it could be a little warmer. This ought to fire things up. I want mine extra hot. Smells kinda funny. Oh, I think I burned it! Yep, we're in Char City, people. How am I supposed to eat this now? Oh boy. It tastes like a barbecue smells. Oh, Olivia. Let's move on to mine, shall we? I feel a cool friend coming in. There we go. This thing sure is icy, alright. Everyone loves cold pizza, right? I gotta take a bite out of this. Ow! This thing is hard as a rock. All I want is one stupid bite. Come on! Break! Whoops. I got a little carried away there. Next up, noodles! And who doesn't love this stuff? They just need to be cooked a bit. I'll take care of it. There! Nice and steamy. Don't mind if I do. There's no better way to eat this stuff. But bites this big can be complicated. How do I fit this all in my mouth? I'll give it a try, I guess. Just take some slurping power. My cheeks are getting sore. Jeez, don't choke, Olivia. There! That was tough. I know. This ought to make things easier. See this long sucker? Time to make it bite-sized. Yum! See? Your turn to chow down, Kylie. I like mine on the chillier side. I call upon the icy gods! There! It's perfect! Well, almost. Ramen lollipop, anyone? It may be cold, but it probably tastes delicious. Here, can you hold this? Where's she going? Let's give this a taste test. Nope, bad idea! Oh, my tongue! Ah, soy sauce. Ugh! Get your face off of my food! But my tongue! That was really scary for a second. Think I can still eat this? May as well try. Now this is how you eat noodles. Sorry, I'm still a little freaked out. I'm okay. Kind of. Guess we're doing a challenge. Something kinda smells. A fish. There's a whole fish on my plate. I think there's something I can do about this. Hey, Icy, watch this. Whoa! Fiery? You have, well, a fire. Oh no! I was too extreme! Calm down, fire! Okay, the fire's out. And the fish is okay. Better than okay, actually. It looks delicious. Time to dig in. Alright, my first bite. I hope it's good. It is good! Huh. I'm jealous of her cooked fish. Well, let's see what I can do. Time for some cold breath. Oh. I have a… fish ice cube. Looks like you're gonna need to start chiseling. Guess so. I'd better get started. Next challenge. I wonder what it could be. You're not fooling anyone, alien. Surprise! It's bread. It smells warm, though. Whoa! Now I will paint this master for bread. The scent of the bread is my muse. Magnifique! My masterpiece! It is okay to be amazed at its splendor. Huh. It is pretty nice. If you close your eyes. Alright, time to eat this bread. Ah! It's frozen. Maybe I can break it in half. Oh, I'm not strong enough. Wait, I have an idea. Batter up! Time to play some bread ball! Oops! Right, we're in a spaceship. Ooh, my bad. Sorry. It won't happen again. Challenge time. Drinks! Perfect timing because I'm thirsty. Ugh, it's so cold! Has Icy been over here? I don't really want a cold drink, though. Wait, I think I have an idea. Time for my microwave! I'll just pop this glass inside for a minute. Ooh, I can't wait! This is gonna be tasty! This is taking forever! This book is the best book I've ever read! Your crying is making me cry, too! So sad! Everything is so sad! Wait, what was I doing before I read this book? Right! The microwave! It's still not done! I guess I'll learn to play the trumpet. Oh! It's done! Finally! Time to get my drink. Cheers! Oh, ouch! It's too hot to hold! Well, my glass seems okay. I actually wish it was colder, though. Oh wait! I can do something about that. I'll just use this liquid nitrogen I carry around with me. In you go, drink. Time for you to get nice and chilled. I'm gonna need some tongs to get it out. Okay, I think it's ready. Ooh, it's perfect! All icy goodness! Oh no! My glass is shattered! Oh, that's tough luck, Icy. Bottoms up! Ouch! So hot!
That food challenge definitely served up some fun. We hope it left you hungry for more. But what food would you prefer? Hot or cold? Let us know in the comments below. Remember to share this video with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tasty videos just like this one.